Every C-fold bag starts with one essential quality check. The film is continuously folded into its signature C-fold design, ensuring consistent dimensions and efficient dispensing in the final product. The folded film is then cut into individual bag rolls with precise control throughout the process. Each finished roll moves directly to the packing stage before quality inspection. Now, let's see how the sealing strength is verified through a manual air pressure test. Step 1. Separate one C-fold bag from the roll and allow air to fill the bag. Then tightly twist the bag opening by hand to trap the air inside. Step 2. Hold the inflated bag firmly and apply strong pressure across the surface, using both hands and your body weight if necessary. Carefully inspect the side seals and bottom seal for any signs of air leakage, seal failure, or tearing. With a production capacity of 5,000 tons per month, HAPLAST supports stable supply for customers across global markets. Every order is backed by internationally recognized certifications and a comprehensive quality management system. Trusted by leading brands worldwide, HAPLAST delivers packaging solutions with consistent quality and dependable manufacturing. Looking for a reliable C-fold bag manufacturer? Contact HAPLAST to discuss your packaging requirements.